Here you've got a square-based pyramid. So the base is a square. So this length here is 6. This must also be 6. And at the center of the square is O. And right above the center is this point E. So the height of the pyramid is 8. So our job is to find AC. So AC is this diagonal length here, going through the center. So this AC here, and then you've got your length of 6, and this is also 6. So I hope you can see there's a right angle triangle here. So this is your right angle here, and AC, so this is A and this is C. Our job is to work out this length. So using Pythagoras, x squared equals this thing squared will be 36 plus this thing squared will be 36. So adding these two together will give you 72. So x is root 72. So AC is root 72. So the answer here is AC equals root 72. Okay, so next one. Our next job is to find ED. So to find ED, draw a vertical line straight down to O, straight down to O, and then from O to D. I hope you can see there's a right angle triangle right here. So E straight down will hit O, and then this is D here, and I hope you can see there's a right angle triangle here in 3D space. So this is a right angle triangle here. Our job is to find ED. So our job is to find ED. The height of the pyramid is 8. And this length here is half of AC. So earlier, AC, we worked it out to be root 72. So from here to here is root 72. That means from here to here is root 72 because it's a square. Because if this is root 72, this must be root 72. So if you just want this length here, it would be half of this. So this length here would be root 72 divided by 2. That's this length here. That's this length from the center to here. Anyway, use Pythagoras on this to work out x. So that will be x squared equals this thing squared, 64, plus this thing squared, root 72 over 2 all squared. So let's try and evaluate this thing. Root 72 over 2 times root 72 over 2. Top times top is 72. Bottom times bottom will be 4. So I'm going to visualize 64 as 64 over 1. In order for me to add the two fractions, I have to get the two denominators to be the same. So I'm going to times top and bottom here by 4. 64 times 4, I worked it out on a calculator earlier, and it was this. And then bottom times 1 times 4 would be 4. This thing here would be 72 over 4. Adding these two fractions together would give you 328 over 4, and then tidy this up, jump to a calculator, and this should give you 82. So x squared equals 82. Hang on, it's gone off the screen, so wait there. So x squared, if you jump to a calculator, this thing here will give you 82. So if you want x, x would then be root 82. So this diagonal length here, ED is equal to root 82. Okay, so now the next one, hang on. So our next job is to find EM. So EM is halfway between C and D. So this halfway here would be M. So this is M here. Our job is to find the length EM. So to find EM, hang on. To find EM, we're going to draw a vertical line straight to O, to the center here, O. And then from O, straight across here. So here you're going to create another right angle triangle here. I hope you can see that where the where the right angle is here. So this height here is this height. So this is E. Straight down, this will be O. And then straight across will be M. Remember, M is halfway between C and D. So wait there. So M is halfway. So what's this length here? We need to know this length. Well, if M is halfway, that means this is also halfway here. Well, from here to here is 6. So halfway would be 3. From here to here 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 would be 3. This length here must be 3 as well. Well, anyway, this length here would be 3. The height of the pyramid is 8. And we want to find EM. We want to find EM. So we want to find this x here. Now use Pythagoras. The right angle is here. The right angle is here. Use Pythagoras to work out x. So x squared equals this thing squared, 64, plus this thing squared, which would be 9. Adding the two together will give you 73. So x equals root 73. So EM is given by root 73. Okay?